Okay, we'll finish up in part 2 here with problem number 3. And there are 2 ways to do this problem, so we'll look at both ways. Number 1, if studying logic helps with reasoning skills, it will help you prepare for the standardized test. Number 2, if logic helps you prepare for the standardized test, you should study logic before you take the LSAT. Studying logic does help with reasoning skills. Number 4, you should study logic before you take the LSAT. Remember, we're going to take out these shoulds, and we're not going to use those. We're going to change those, and if we're just going to say it does, okay? And you would take this should out as well. So we're going to get started here. If, again, circle, parentheses, and it ends right where my comma is. That lets me know that the first one, since I have to use S, P, and L, I know exactly how to organize this. So if studying logic helps with reasoning skills, and then I put my S. I don't have a then here, but I do know from what I told you before, if studying logic, I know that I'm in the present tense, and I have will, then I certainly know that this is an if-then statement. So then I put my then. If then will help you. It will help you prepare for standardized tests. That gives me P. Okay. In number 2, if logic helps you prepare for standardized tests, you should study logic before the LSAT. Again, notice that I have if P and I have then L. Number 3, studying logic does help with reasoning skills. It's an S. You should study logic before you take the LSAT. L. Okay? And so I know I just matched these up. I have S, S, L, L. Symbolically, it looks like this. Number 1, if S, then P. Number 2, if P, then L. Number 3, S. Number 4, P. And I'll go through. Remember, here I have S. If I have S, then I can get P. Okay? And I can do a modus ponens here with 1 and 3. Okay? So I have if S, then P, if P, then L. I have my S. Remember? My S was from number 3 up here. So now all I have to do is modus ponens. Remember? If P, then Q, P, therefore Q. Okay? So now I go if P, then L. Oh, I have P. So again, I can do modus ponens from 2 and 4. That's one way. Another way that I could do this is I could go if S, then P, if P, then L. And I notice here that looks like I have a hypothetical syllogism. I have my S still, but I can go if S, then L from 1 and 2 with a hypothetical syllogism right here. And then I have if S, then L, and I have my S here. So gosh, this looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? And I can get L by 3, number 3 and 4, modus ponens. Either way, what I need to do is make sure that I'm familiar with the forms. Remember, in math, they tell you to remember your formulas. This is really the way you're going to have to do it. You're going to have to memorize your formulas, remember your forms, and that way it'll make your job super easy.